got it.
Dad, you destroyed it.
You gonna help me cut? Here you go. Here's a piece for you.
Oh, yeah.
Pull the meat with that hand. Cut up. See that? Let him go. Oh, Colin, it's a good cut. It's a good day to be out in the outdoors. All right, here we are. All right, we got Parker back here. Parker, look. We are gonna go deer hunting, although it's raining. Hopefully we can get a deer, and after deer hunting, we're gonna go squirrel hunting. Maybe scare up some rabbits. One of my buddies is gonna come meet us up with his son, so hopefully we'll be able to have some fun today. It is raining, but we're hoping that the deer are gonna come out and we have a good day of hunting. Even if it's not a good day of hunting, it's a good day to be out in the outdoors. What do you think, Parker? Yeah. All right, we'll see you on a little bit. Hopefully we can get a deer today.
I want you to shoot it. That means he's dead somewhere.
Yeah, did you see it?
Yeah. I think he's down right over there.
Okay. Alright, so you probably didn't see the shot, but we had a small doe. Hopefully it's a doe, not a buck, but either way. Parker insisted that I shoot it. He did not want to shoot it. So we're out here catching deers. Catching deers. What do you think, Parker? Is that fun?
Yeah, and I got the boy.
Parker thinks he saw. What did he do? When he shot?
He jumped.
He jumped. Where did he go?
Right there.
Okay. Alright. Do you think it's down over there?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's keep our voice down. We might have more deer coming.
Wish for that one to die.
Yeah.
Don't cut it here.
So Parker was thinking about not coming hunting this morning because of the rain. I was looking at the forecast and it wasn't supposed to be light rain where we are, but it was kind of heavy raining where we live. So I was a little scared it would be a kind of a downpour and that we wouldn't see deer. But we started to see deer on the side of the road coming in. So that told me that they'd at least be on their feet a little bit to feed and then go to bed, because I would like to be in bed right now while it's raining. What do you think, Parker?
Good.
How fast did that deer show up?
Quick.
Yeah. So we got in this stand around 6.
Probably like 5 minutes.
No, 6:30 maybe. I just shot that deer about 10 minutes ago, so we were in the stand only 20 minutes.
Yeah.
A quick hunt. I mean, we put out some doe pee. What do you think about the doe pee, Parker?
The big buck.
I told Parker maybe if we put the doe pee out, a big buck will come in, and I told him he can shoot it. But what are you gonna do? Are you gonna do it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, we'll cross our fingers for a big buck to show up.
or giant coyote.
We'll take out a coyote, definitely.
Because he's going to try to eat our deer.
Yeah, you better not deer.
Dad, get him with the old shotgun.
Yeah, got the shotty. Get the shotty Bugatti. Got the 243. Remington 243. The label's crystal clear, baby.
God.
Was that a small buck coming, Jason? That was cool. He might come back, buddy. Good job. All right. We're tracking our small doe we shot, and Parker's already found blood. I couldn't find it. You find more? You found more? Good job, son. You're tracking really good. You know which way she's going? You found more blood? You found more? Every now and again you want to make a mark so you know where it is. It's going that way. No, not over it.
Dad, there's our deer.
Yeah? Told you we never give up, son.
Yeah.
Slow down, slow down.
Dad, there's a good stick.
So, we're gonna explain. We shooting 243. I knew I double lung. Parker, don't get too close. Wait. I knew I double lunged the deer. I found particles of lung on the ground, but the drops of blood were literally splotches here and there. And we literally were grid searching and got discouraged. I went one route where I think she would have won in bedding, and then I looped around into this other area. And Parker really wanted to give up, so we owe the animal. We owe the animal
Oh my God.
to track it since we took its life.
What is that?
Okay, so we found it.
It's nowhere in the chest.
Yep,
It's destroyed.
yep, we got it.
Dad, you destroyed it.
Hold on, let's
Dad,
make sure
you
she's okay.
Dad, you destroyed it.
I know, Parker. Yeah, go on. What do you think?
Good.
Good?
That shot is very good.
So what did you learn about tracking an animal?
Never,
You what?
never telling.
Never telling. And we made a great shot, but the blood wasn't there. But it's important to do your diligence and look for the deer, right? That's our lesson learned. You don't just give up. We got to respect that animal and do our diligence and track it. Give it our all. And guess what we did? We did not give up. That's the lesson learned. You never give up, especially when you've taken an animal's life. You owe it to the animal to find it, right? Well, we caught a deer.
Look at all this.
You want to see if it's a doe? It's a doe. Small doe. Got her. You gonna help me drag it? You're strong enough, right?
This deer is so little.
Yeah. Here, drag it with this leg.
Tell Ed. bit down here.
Huh?
I said, hello, small deer. You just shot.
All right, so we're gonna drag it up to the car. Hopefully my friend actually is coming with his son to do some squirrel hunting. That's what Parker's looking forward to. He wanted to stop tracking the deer to go squirrel hunting.
And rabbit.
And rabbit hunting. So we'll get to do that in a little bit.
I just got one of the buttons.
It's the top one, son.
No!
Dragging some deer.
That's wrong.
Oh yeah, I was wrong. We dragging deer that we caught because we're some deer catchers. Oh, deer catchers. Best doggone deer catchers in the world. Yay, we got some more deer meat. Let's go. Yeah, freezer's full. Deer meat galore.
Yeah, we need to put some of that food in back.
Yeah?
Now we can get more.
More. We can make some jerky. Deer jerky, deer jerky, deer jerky. What do you think? Yeah. So keep it still. Don't put your hand in front of the camera.
Smallest buck I've ever got.
What?
What is the smallest buck I've ever got?
Smallest buck I've ever got. The smallest buck I ever got was a spike. Baby buck with 2 antlers. 2 antlers, Parker.
Well, I mean, like the ones with like multiple antlers.
Multiple antlers?
Yeah.
The smallest, biggest buck, you mean?
Yeah.
Smallest, biggest buck. 6 pointer maybe?
Yeah. No, that
What?
is the bad part. You see that little pop thing? Never cut that. That pop thing. It's going to stink.
It's gonna stink.
Do not cut that.
Don't cut the pop. All right, we are gonna do a little bit of processing today. Just to recap, you guys, this is the small doe that me and Parker got. Was that Monday? Last Monday. It was pouring rain, and we did not think we'd get anything. And sure enough, a small doe came out. We were planning for Parker to get a shot on him, but he insisted that Daddy shoot. Right? What happened when we shot?
More deer came.
Yeah, more deer came. We put out some doe pee because I said, well, this doe pee, maybe a buck will come out, and Parker was interested in shooting a buck because he's never gotten one. We had a 6-pointer come out, like 50 yards to the right.
I know it was a 2-pointer.
Yeah, 6-pointer. And it saw us, so 6-point buck saw us, but then it started to chase a doe. So we ended up tracking our small doe for over 100 yards. We almost gave up. It was minimal blood, but the shot was very well placed. I don't understand why it went that far with how much damage happened. But anyways, we had a fun day of hunting, and we're gonna process it. We got the deer heart. A lot of people throw these away. You know, it's getting popular to cook them. So I've been cooking these for about 5 or 6 years. All I'm gonna do is freeze it whole in my vacuum seal bag, and then when I go to cook it, I'll probably trim off all the fat there, and then cut it in some strips. People do fajitas. You can just saute it with onions and peppers. It's a really good overlooked piece of meat. Resembles like a sirloin steak to me. So we've got that. We've got the shoulders. Like I said, this doe was small, so with these shoulders here, I'm gonna vacuum seal it and probably smoke the whole shoulder. I've been doing that. Last year I smoked my whole first shoulder. and the meat was incredible. Kind of was very tender, shredded up like in like barbacoa. And then we've also got the back straps, which is my favorite part of the meat, which is a lot of people's favorite part. So all I'm gonna do here is cut it in half and then take off all the silver skin. There's a lot of fat and tissues there. You gonna help me cut? Here you go. Here's a piece for you.
Oh, yeah.
Parker, here is a piece for you. Here. Go.
No, which one is the biggest?
There you go. All right, so I've got my vacuum sealer right here. I'm gonna go ahead and put the heart in there.
I know what. I do not want to cut.
Didn't want to cut?
I just want to cut this thing.
You want to cut it?
I want great pieces. Yeah.
Got the heart, gonna vacuum seal it.
There you go.
Gotta get you a vacuum sealer food saver.
Oh, I have two.
Oh no, don't do that. Did it wrong.
Colin has two.
Oh, it's 2 pieces.
I have 2 pieces. Colin has 1 piece. I have 2. This one is mine.
There we go.
This one is mine. No.
No, that's a piece of Colin here.
That
We're fighting over deer meat pieces to cut up.
one Collins is big. Collins is a big.
Why did it turn off? There we go. Got it. All right, so I'm gonna show Parker how to get the silver skin off the back strap. It's a piece you always want to take off. So I typically just kind of get I'm using a fillet knife. I like to use that on my process deer meat. To slice, use to slice thin strips for jerky, and of course getting off the silver skin. All right, so Parker here, you want to cut up and do this way.
Yeah.
So what you're gonna do is, you want to use your right hand to cut or your left hand?
Yeah.
No, you're gonna use this knife. Which hand do you want to use to cut?
This one.
Okay. So then you are going to pull the meat with that hand, cut up. See that? There you go.
So this
See,
is
pull that hard, son. Keep pulling, cutting up. Cutting up.
I see some silvers.
Yep, all right, and then I'm gonna flip it over and just get the rest, okay? Good job, son. See how you're applying the pressure up? And there goes our piece of silver skin off.
There's still some.
Yep, there's still some.
Get that out. Oh,
Colin, what are you doing, buddy?
cutting meat.
You're a professional little butcher there. You cutting up the back strap?
Dad, can you please give me my chunk of meat back?
Yeah, you can have it back.
Yeah.
Colin, the butcher, look at him go.
That's right.
Oh, Colin, it's a good cut. You got it.
What's that?
That's some back strap. Oh, Colin, don't touch your. Here is our finished product. 2 shoulders, back strap, back strap, back strap. One tenderloin, the other tenderloin was not good. And what's that, Parker?
Heart.
Yeah, we're gonna eat that later.